free flowing, sailing with the wind, not knowing how this story ends. Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth and good will come to you. Home, sweet home. Home, sweet home. Grounded, steady, earth between your toes, arms wide, ready, love is true, you know. Come roll, you can borrow calm, piece by piece, thriving in your palm. Home, sweet home. Together or alone, build your home. You are your home. Home, sweet home. Home, sweet home. Home, sweet cutting corners. Where do you go? Breaking borders. What do you know? Follow your heart. What do you say? Fight the darkness till break of day. The heart and the past changes so fast, like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies. What do we know?
Okay, back to potatoes. Last lot to get in. These are main crop, and I've put them in here. I had a lot of mulch that I was that I had left ready for them. And then here, there is nothing. So it's time to do something with this massive pile of sticks here so that I can mulch the rest of them. So that's the plan. These are Kelly maincrop potatoes. They're meant to be an Irish flowery potato, blight resistant, organic. So yeah, pretty hopeful. They look great, so get them in the ground.
Changing colors more often than not. Same old horizon looks different to you. Breaking silence, so easy to do. The heart in the past changes so fast, like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies, what did we know? We were so very young. The heart and the past changes so fast, like a chameleon.
Look who's just flown into our kitchen. Mrs. Swallow. We have had these swallows flying into this kitchen. Oh, yes, you look at the camera. You're going now. I've just saved you from the windowsill. We've had these swallows in and out of this kitchen since the very start, as they used to nest right up there in the corner when this was a barn. You remember those days? Where are you? I'll get you in the light. Where are you? There you are. That's a bit better. See you? Oh man. Can't get you. Oh, there you are. Yeah, there you are. And today you flew back in again. Yes. But you know that you have since been making home in barn 4. So that's where we must go. Yes, Mrs. Swallow. Okay, you want to go? Gone.
Okay folks, I'm just going to quickly sign it off here. It's been about a week since I did the guttering. It's super flimsy guttering, but what I can see is that I need to put way more brackets. There's a bracket there I've just bought. This was leaking, I think, with the weight of the water. I was bending it forward. So I reinforced that. I got a pack of 10 brackets. Now it's leaking here. So I think I'm gonna have to, every meter or so, put a bracket. So I have that yet to do. But I don't know if you caught that in the video, but the video abruptly ended when I was putting the final piece of trim about there. The issue I had is my ladder was here and I couldn't quite reach over to there, and I needed to drill a screw through the gutter into the fascia, and I couldn't reach. So I decided to take the last bit. It was only 6 inches and I held it in my hand and I tried to drill through, but you've guessed it, it drilled straight through the gutter and straight through my finger. So I was up the ladder with a gutter and a screw attached to my finger, and it was quite painful. And I had a drill in my other hand and I didn't know where to put it, so I just set the drill down and I tried to take the screw out of my finger and it was stuck. It absolutely wouldn't come out. So I tried to twist it, it wouldn't come out. It certainly wouldn't pull out. I would have ripped a big hole in my finger anyway. So I had to climb down the ladder with the gutter still attached to my finger, go into the shed and find a screwdriver that fit, because if the screwdriver wasn't the correct size, it would have just rounded out, and that would have been excruciating. So I found a screwdriver and it wouldn't turn. It was that tight in my finger. Now thankfully it was going to the bone, and then it hit the bone and it slid up the bone. Cringing just thinking about it, but got a screwdriver, managed to get it out. Just before it got out, I had the forethought to know that there'd be a lot of blood, so I finished it off in the kitchen, and yeah, there was a lot of blood, but it seems fine. It's not infected. I haven't had a hot tub all week, so no chlorine or bacteria. It's bandaged up. I've been working away. I won't show you, but it seems to be healing up pretty good. Don't have full grip in it, just that one finger, but that's kind of where the projects ended for West Cork Wander this week. Clare did quite a bit in Irish Country Life. Do check out the other channel and you'll see a lot more going on in the garden and countryside. But for Renovation, that really kind of slowed things down. Now, I think next job is probably going to be to put the rest of the brackets on, put the downpipe. I'm going to put that downpipe and wrap it around. Going a little bit of a reprioritization, because I think we're talking to a couple of different solar companies. So I think we're going to get solar sometime soon. In order to get solar, we need to get the power off this house, bring it down. You saw us dug the trench, and we need to get the ESB to bring power here. Then we have to get our electrician to connect the consumer unit there, and we have power coming across this channel as well and connecting into the back to our new consumer unit. Once the two of them are done, we had some solar companies out to check out. I'll show you. Hey crackers! We had some solar companies come out and check this, and they said between 12 and 16 panels they can get on. So they've all told us we need to extend this. We need to take down the trees as well. You can see there's a bit of shadow on it. So I have a little bit of work to do on that. I think that's probably where you're going to see next on West Cork Wander. And also we have the channel dug for the new power. We have that filled in. Claire's going to start on the paving to get that done. And you can clearly see where the gutter is coming down with the weight of the water. So I need to reinforce that there, and probably a couple here as well. I also built a step here. Simple step. Somebody walked on it, annoyingly, before it was dry. But this is just housing our electrical and our smart cable feed coming in there. This is an old solar panel we picked up off a neighbour. I'm not even sure we're going to use this now. It's a 3 kilowatt system. It doesn't tie into a battery, it's straight to the grid, so definitely not using the inverter. Not sure about the eddy, probably not. And solar panels might use just to boost our own system. I don't know. That's a summary of what we have coming up. Hope you're interested in hanging along as we try to get this house back in order. Yeah, it feels like there's a lot of projects that have to be done, and we're trying to get out to enjoy this beautiful weather, but we're not really enjoying it as much as we should. It's just a lot of work. We kind of felt like when the grant would be done, we just take it easy with some gardening, but that's not really the case. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Claire has breakfast cooking. I'll see you next week. Slán go fóill gur míle maith agat. Bye bye.